In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a $25 business, yes, that everybody can start and everybody can afford, and grow it to make $1,000 per month, $5,000 per month, even more. But this is something, guys, in which you're not going to be getting rich like overnight. You need to take consistent actions and you need to follow the instructions. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can take a simple $25 business, and don't worry, you don't need to do something technical here. Okay, actually this video is part of a video series. If you are currently on my YouTube channel, this is the video series I'm talking about. Okay, it's the 25 best, and I also put it here on the homepage. Okay, these are all the videos that I have been releasing here in the past, so I suggest you to go back to video number 1 if this is the very first time you are here on my channel. But to keep it short, what we're going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting someone else. In this case, it's a service. So that means that month after month after month after month after month, we are going to be getting paid. Okay, so with regular ways to make marketing, sometimes you just get one-time payment, but here you get one customer, and as long as that customer keep paying, you are going to keep earning. So again, you're going to be earning month after month after month, and this is a really affordable business in which people are going to be joining for just $25, and you're going to get a recurring commission of $20. Okay, so now we have the service in this case that we're going to be promoting. Now we need eyeballs. We need people who are looking to join this opportunity, right? I know that some of you are like, well, Diana, I don't want to create a YouTube channel. Okay, I don't want to do TikTok. I don't want to be on videos. I don't want to spend all day on Facebook, and I don't want to spend a crazy amount of money doing ads. Okay, don't worry, I have you covered. Okay, remember, this is a video that is part of this video series here on my $25 business. Sorry that I'm going like kind of fast, but I want to make sure that you go to the very first video in which I explain. Okay, so if you click the very first link, okay, if you click on the very first link, you're going to be landing actually here on this page, which is the all-in-one $25 business. Okay, here they says like you can see results as little as 24 hours, which is actually, yeah, true, but you need to take action. Okay, you need to be consistent. They are paying instant commission of $20 and $100 every single month. Okay, one cool thing that I really like is that. Okay, and the other thing that I really like is the fact that if you make just 2 sales, you're gonna be in profit for life. Just 2 sales, that's it. Okay, they give you everything that you need. I'm going to show you more about that in a moment. Okay, 1 or 2 sales per week. This is the amount that you can do. It's 6 figures per month. Okay, so you're gonna have all this stuff. At the time recording this video, they already paid $3 million in commissions, and here are some numbers that you can have in your mind. 1 sale, actually, and this is actually per week. Okay, 1 sale per week. You're gonna have the opportunity to make $6,000 per month. Okay, again, this is not something that you're gonna be doing overnight. You need to take action. Okay, click the very first link, so you're gonna land here on this page, and you're gonna see everything that included, all the bonuses. They do have masterminds and all that cool stuff, but I also joined because they partner with Feed My Starving Children, which I think is a great cause. So every single time we make a sale, they are donating meals. Okay, so that's a great cause, at least for me. So it's not all about the money, it's also about helping others. Okay, so let's say that you already joined, okay, HBA, okay, the $25 business, the very first link. You're gonna be landing here on this page. Okay, here they do give you tools, training. Please make sure that you're going to be joining the community. They have a Telegram community, and they also have a Facebook community. You can also be part of the masterminds. Okay, Yeah, I know. There are other programs out there in which you need to pay a lot of money if you want to be part of a mastermind, but here you don't. Okay, after that, you're gonna click here where it says affiliate zone. Here in the affiliate zone, please make sure that you're gonna be watching these really short 4 videos, sign the agreement, and then you're gonna click here where it says Samcard affiliate login. So you're gonna have a lot of logins. A lot of links that you can share. I'm gonna let you know which one is the one that we're gonna be sharing, and also where are you gonna get these people who are gonna be interested on what you have to offer. Okay, so remember, go ahead, join HBA. Okay, now there is another program, and this case is more to drive traffic, which is actually called My Lead Gen Secret. Okay, here My Lead Gen Secret, literally you're paying $1 and you're gonna be getting, remember, $1 and you're gonna be getting 100 leads per day. Okay, I know if you spend $100 on that, and if you're really good on what you're doing, you can get 100 leads per day. Okay, but with My Lead Gen Secret, that's going to be the second link in the description. You can do this with just literally $1. Okay, but there is another strategy that you can do if you want to maximize your results. Okay, the more eyeballs we have, the more people who are interested in what we have to offer, the more opportunity we have, to make sales. Okay, so this is how My Lead Gen Secret works. Here is you have your account, but also you can use your own link, which is going to be this one, and you can create another account. Okay, so this one is going to be using this link, and they say that if you have at least one person, okay, it can be you because the system allow it. Okay, you're gonna get 100 leads more as a bonus. So this account is gonna get 200 leads, and this account is gonna get 100 leads. Diana, can I start with just one account? Yes, you can. Okay, what if in the future I want to create more accounts? Well, you can do it. You can use the link from this account and use it here to create your third account. All of them are gonna be changed, and now you're not going to be earning 100 leads per day, but 200, and this one is going to be earning 100. So now it's going to be 500 leads per day. Okay, so you're going to see, or I think that now you understand why this is actually really important. Diana, okay, I really like this, I'm getting profits, I want to reinvest. Okay, and remember, this is by paying $1 per day. So here you're investing $3 to get 500 leads. Okay, do the same. Use the link from this account, create this other one. Okay, 200 leads here, 100 leads here, and now you're getting 700 leads per day, and you're paying $4. Okay, I think you already got it. This account that I'm going to show you, it's really old. I have been using this for a couple of years. Okay, for some times right now. So what you're going to be doing, well, you're going to be clicking here where it says master mailing system. This is where you're going to click mailing system. Okay, here you're going to see all the leads that you have. So I'm going to select them all. If you click here on my leads, you're going to see that I'm getting 200 leads per day. Let me show you really fast. If you click here, you're going to see their names, their email address, for privacy policies. I'm not going to do that. Okay, so you're going to click here again, my mailing system. You're going to select them all. I have over 31,000 leads here. And now you don't need to change anything here, but you need to put the subject and the message, right? So you're going to be like, Diana, but I'm not a copywriter. Don't worry, guys. On every single video, okay, that I have here on my business, my $25 business, I'm providing you an email. Okay, I'm providing you an email because I want you guys to be really successful with this. Okay, but remember, this is not something in which you're going to be getting rich overnight. You need to be consistent. Okay, so this is the email for today. It says make 120 per day, discover the little known secret. Okay, you can pause the video right now or don't worry, I'm going to show you more about this in a moment. So it's going to be hey, and I'm going to delete this. I'm going to paste it. Okay, there are a couple of things that I'm going to be doing. First of all, I don't want this to be bold. The text size, I want it to be 16, and I want to make sure that it looks actually really nice. Okay, here where it says click here to get your passive income following today, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, so I want it to stand out, and I want to make it bold. Okay, I'm going to click here where it says preview, so you can see how it's actually going to look like. Okay, it says hey, first name, just in case that you're wondering, like, Diana, what did you get this code? I'm going to show you in a moment. Okay, put this video on pause so you can type this on your my MLGS account, my lead gen security account. Okay, so now we need a link because we don't have a link. Okay, where do you get this hey first name? Okay, here is it, first name, here is it, this is the code that you're gonna copy and paste. Okay, cool. Now we need a link to promote, so remember, you are already here in the affiliate zone. Click here where it says Samcar affiliate login. Okay, the link that I'm going to be promoting, and this is sometime changed, you're going to notice that if you see my previous videos, you're going to notice that it looks a little bit different. It's all at the top, but the one that we're going to be using is this one, the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. Okay, so this is the link. I'm gonna click here where it says copy. Okay, so I'm gonna copy. Here is it. Now I'm gonna go and highlight here where it says click here to discover your passive income flowing today. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna paste my link. Okay, so now if I preview, I have my link, which is directly clickable, so it makes sense. People are gonna get this on their email, they're gonna read the email, the message, and they're gonna click on the link because they want to discover how they can turn $25 into $120 per day. Okay, close. And now I'm gonna click here where it says perfect timing because I want to make sure that they're gonna get it on the best time ever. So I'm gonna have more opportunities for them to open my emails and click on my links. Okay, you are gonna click here where it says send email, and that's it. If you have just one account, okay, you finish. But if you have more accounts, okay, you can literally copy and paste this message in more accounts, and you're gonna have more opportunities to earn with the $25 business. Okay, remember that you're gonna be getting more leads if you decide to invest on more accounts. Okay, but use this strategy. Use the link from the first account to create the second, the link from the second account to create the third, and so on. How many accounts can you have? Hey, as many as you want. You can start with one if it's okay, but remember that if you don't have at least one person here, you're not going to be getting 100, 200, but just 100 leads, which is not bad. You're paying literally just $1. Okay, guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. Remember, you need to be consistent in the strategy, and I see you on the next video.